G'day and welcome back to another Hectech review. Today I'm checking out the RCX LS2207 2700 kV. I bought this personally for a race quad and had a couple of issues with my particular one. First we'll just go over the basics. Weighing in at 32.2 grams. And yeah, it's not too bad, but anyway, into the bitchin'. Grub screw, bottom one's meant to be 1.5 millimeters, and it just stripped. The top ones are 1.27 mil, and they came out fine. But yeah, I had to get that shaft out somehow because it was bent. So yeah, out comes the reamer. I'm just sort of taking the head off the screw, and hoping that then I'll be able to pull the bell off, which makes sense. So a little bit of drilling was required, not too much, just I think it was like a 3 mil reamer, and yep, just the head. The bottom bearing was fine, and yeah, so I put it on a quad arm, pull it off. Now we can whack her off with a hammer. Whack it off with a hammer, yeah. No, anyway, we can hit it, or you can put it in the vise, and I'll demonstrate that method, putting the new shaft back into the motor. So new shaft is in. Personally, I just give it a whack with a bit of wood or what's that, like a bit of conduit, and whack her in there. That's how I do it. But the proper way, or the way RCX tell you to do it, is with a bit of wood in a vise like so, and you just crank her in there and tighten it up. I will definitely have to speed this video up a little bit though. So once you've got it all lined up, you do need to line up the grub screw flat points on the grub screw, on the shaft before you press it in. It's pretty important. It's not terribly easy to move around once it's in there. Side note, hella filled with fucking that's like glue or something from the I don't even know how it got there, but that bearing was the top bearing. I had to replace it. It was shot. So anyway, there we go. Put a shaft from a 2206 in there. That seemed to work. I just had to get in a grub screw, the E-clip, and I'm back up and running. So yeah, hope that helped. See you on the next one.